Welcome to the Speech to Text Pro video presentation. Today, we're going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how our service works, using an example audio file that's 4 minutes and 30 seconds long. Begin by clicking the Add File button, and you will be taken to the upload page. Next, explore the various options available for your transcription. Customize settings such as language, speaker labels, and number of speakers to suit your needs. The next step is to upload your audio file. Simply click the Upload button and select your file. It's that easy. Now, sit back and relax as our powerful algorithms work their magic. Depending on the file size and options chosen, this process may take some time, but not more than 1 minute. Once the transcription is complete, download your text and Word file. Use the text file for quick reference or the Word document for further editing. And there you have it. With Speech to Text Pro, converting your audio files into text has never been easier. Whether it's for transcribing interviews, lectures, or meetings, our platform ensures accuracy and efficiency every time. Thank you for watching our video presentation. Visit our website to start transcribing your audio files today.